Uh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Welcome back to the Nine Planet. It's week 2, and we are diving deep into one of the, I would say, the most interesting topics we have today. Okay. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys week 2. We're gonna be creating a simple HTML homepage. Nothing crazy, nothing over the box, just a simple homepage with basic stuff. Alright then, so we have this template homepage, excuse me, which is already deployed. Deploy the thing using Vercel. So this is the deployed version. This is what you guys have to make, and your brand has to be replaced with basically whatever you choose your brand to be. Get started, features. This you can replace with whatever your key features are for your website. But I would like you guys to basically make something like a portfolio where you just easily just take this, plug and play to your portfolio, stuff like that. So you see there are links that don't even work at the moment, right? Yeah, they're not taking you to where you're supposed to go. So yeah, if that's your job to fix, me, I'm not gonna fix those links because I already got Alright, let me just check out the code. It's like we have components, so we have features, we have a feature section, we have the footer section here. We also have the hero section, and we have the navbar section. We have the app.tsx. This is where like the app actually starts and stuff. Index CSS, we're using Tailwind, easy as hell. We're also using main.tsx, which runs basically the app.tsx with the whole components inside. And then you have your vet.env. So this is where you have your reference lines. In this case, there's no thing like that, so I didn't put anything. So you also have your index.html, which reads kind of like everything here. So what are we going to do right now? We are going to clone this thing. I'm going to show you how to clone this website. And once we have done cloning the website, I am going to show you how you push to Git. And I will show you how that Vercel thing kind of works. Yeah, not JP though. So I already cloned it before, imagine, but new window. This is how you clone a project. I'm just doing this so you guys actually know how to clone a project. Okay, clone from GitHub. Right, repository name. You just paste the link of your repository name here, and also make sure you have Git installed. Okay, and when I say you have Git installed, so just make a new folder here. New template. Select repository as destination. Alright then, so after choosing your few things you might need to take into consideration. So remember when I said you need Git for this thing? Yes, you do need Git for this thing. Git download, and you can get Git right here. Okay, download, simple. Download Git. Make sure it's Windows or Mac or Linux, depending on your environment. But most of you use just Windows, so download for Windows, install. It's gonna do everything for you. After that, you should be able to use Git and other things. So this is the app we have. So just gonna open our terminal. Right now, you know what we do every single time we get to a JavaScript or Node.js application. We say anything else, install. So this is where we are installing all of our Node packages. Basically, we're installing every single package we might need on this app. So it's a bit like pip.txt.requirement, where you are basically installing everything in a Python or in a requirements file for a Python project in a sense. So yeah, we have that. So we're now gonna run the app. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the app is running, right? It's nice. It's easy. We are winning this thing. Change this to your name. Me, I put my name on it. This one. Yeah. Let's get rid of this. Let's have that banana straight. Okay. What else do we have? What is your brand? So right now you're gonna try and do what I do. But see, you gotta do like I do. Like I do. I better just do like I do. Like I do. Alright, just do like I do. Change to your branding style though, okay? Yeah, there's buttons here. I won't touch the buttons for now, it's fine. Planet 09 AI. Easy. Just get rid of this, not using React. Food up. Planet. So a bit like that, right? So you can put links here and stuff. I'm not gonna put links. I'm so lazy for that. Right, so features. So you can change this as well. This is the thingy for the features. So it's pretty roughly just. I would say it's small things, right? It's small things. Smaller than the things. Ashkarine Barnoy. So let's see. I already had a comment, right? Crazy. You're gonna see now how crazy this shit thing is. So you see, when it comes to Vercel, There's a universal. That's what we used to deploy. Relax. It's nothing like out of the ordinary, okay? So why are we here anyway? Get some performance metrics in. I'll just put like, okay, we will do the checking data. So right now I want to see this repository, right? So let's see when the last deployment was made. Last deployment was made 13 hours ago by me, right? So right now, what are we gonna do? So right now, we're gonna save these things. Hey, brand name, brand change to Planet 09 AI, right? So I just wrote like a commit thing. This thing just said there are no changes to commits. I think I'm on the wrong projects. That's all. We're gonna embed them. I'll go ahead and you commit. So it's gonna stage your commits. It's gonna sync changes now. After syncing changes, I'm telling you, we have almost just changed the whole world. Woo! Okay, let's go check the thingy on Vercel. See how it's like. Vercel. A refresh. Yeah. Nah. Now. Okay, you see now I have 2 comments. Why is it? Gosh. You see, so now the live app just changed, which is crazy. See how it just changed? Welcome to Planet AI, all that stuff. So yeah, this is how you just keep changing stuff, so you can add and change stuff like this. So I just shown you guys how to make a homepage, and I shown you how to deploy one, which is very easy, right? So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you guys can complete week 2's challenge, and also as you're completing the week 2's challenge, make sure to subscribe to the channel to be one of the people who actually were here before we were great. Thank you very much, people. I'm gonna be capping this video off because 10 minutes gonna be overkill. So you submit via the same thing as usual. You see, come here, you see, submit reflection. You put the GitHub link, or in this case, so you see, if you like deploy the app, it's fine. You can just come show me the app. You can just take this thing, because it makes my job easy. You put the app thing in, then I know me, all I have to do is click on the app, and then maybe you posted it somewhere. God, I would want you guys to post it on LinkedIn so we can actually see. Ukuthi yabona zikhipani nansi le ndaba ihamba kanjani. Hey, kathi ngiyafika bahamba bangivukani. Helele nakulo mfana ufika baqambani. Ikuse athi ngiqhubeka phethu nalento la. How do you say? You say copy link to post, right? You have to go back now. I'm lost, chief. Now I'm lost. Yeah, was it? So many. It was nice making a simple homepage. I got to see how the other websites do it, which is a plus for my skills as a developer. But on the bright side again, I would have liked to add some animation. Guess that is next week's job. Thank you very much, people, for joining the channel and for actually watching the video. This is Nimison Butsedezi, and I am officially signing out. Yo, Joe. Hey, I'm gonna go fix your app for you. Alright, gotta end the video now. Hey, like the developer, app is fixed, okay? So we can submit reflections now. See, week 2 submitted. If you invite to the admin banner, go to submissions, weekly submissions. You're gonna see this guy here. He just submitted. So if I approve this guy here, see, he's gotta approve it. He got awarded 50 points. Can approve those guys that down. Leaderboard. Wow! Bathi ngiyafika ngihamba phezulu, ngafika ngeke mfana oshenge wahambela phansi, ngathi ngiyafika ngihamba phezulu, bathi bona ngihambela phansi, ngathi ngiyafika ngihambela phezulu. Bafethu ngiyabonga ukubuka ivideo nimi noSipho Luhle. Mina ushenge ngisaya esikoleni sokuletha.